Good. Shoulder and chest back on the rope pulls. Yep, drive those down hard with the ball. Good. Chest down. Nice and hard. Try to wake up Saddam Hussein. Good. Nice and hard and it won't go away from you. Good. That's it. Good. Nice. Good. Chest and shoulders up on those sumo squat jumps. Perfect.